Okay, just want to show you how to using the espresso machine. So we have a grinder here, and this bar. You put the cap on it so you can. Because this is a little bit small, just press it. Then you can use the presser to flatten it. Then this is a presser. Press a couple times. Okay. Now we're ready to put it under here and then screw this on the side. You can leave the handle here. Usually I do like 25 seconds. So there's a timer to show how many seconds you have done already. Okay, now you have your coffee ready. Whenever you turn it on, so this is switch to turn on and off, you need to wait until like 5 or 10 minutes for the bar to reach like around 1. That's when it's ready to have the pressure to make the coffee, to make the espresso. And yeah, whenever you finish, you can turn it off. That's the on button. All right. Thank you.